Hi, I'm Melissa Moore, and this is my CIT 498 internship reflection. I did my internship with Signature Performance. Signature Performance provides high-performance administration services to the private and public healthcare industry. As an informatics intern, I developed actionable insights and recommendations for business operations. I created, managed, and updated dashboard reports, working with business team and web developers, and created business intelligence reports and visualizations. My first project was to create dashboards in Tableau that would show the usage of the dashboards, what dashboards are viewed the most, what has the most traffic of viewers on the Tableau server, and the number of viewers that are being used. This information provides a better understanding of usage and how dashboards are used, which will help the informatics team prioritize which dashboards will transition first from Tableau to Dundas over the next 12 months. I oversaw and worked primarily on this project the first 6 weeks of my internship, from requirements gathering, concept design, data prep, dashboard design, QA, and finally presenting the dashboards and results to supervisors, managers, and the director of IT operations. My next project was to create a portal that internal and external clients can use to access the dashboards, whether those dashboards are on Tableau or Dundas. This web page would also provide a one-stop location for the future. The web page has a single sign-on feature that will open to a home page that will welcome the user and display the user's recently viewed and recommended dashboards. Dashboards are displayed by thumbnail pictures, and when hovered over, it will display a description of the dashboard. When the user selects the desired dashboard, it opens to another page on the website and displays the embedded dashboard either from Tableau or Dundas. The website was built with HTML, Bootstrap, and PHP. As I started my internship, I had a lot of stress and anxiety wondering what my employer really expected me to know and be able to do, and if I was up to the task to accomplish the projects assigned to me. The first thing that I did and learned was that I need to start by trusting what I already knew, and sought to bring that foundational knowledge to my team. I was definitely looking at the huge unknown instead of focusing on one topic and problem at a time. I need to start with what I did know and then go from there. I learned that I actually did know quite a bit and that my team was a resource to me. I need to ask questions. They're not just acceptable, they're encouraged. Each team member has a unique role and specialty. Teams are an invaluable resource of knowledge and experience. Working together in small groups or as a whole team always allows us to leverage all the resources available to us to improve projects, to learn, grow, and teach each other. Since new technology is emerging all the time, I need to be able to grow and learn as well. Finally, academia isn't the real world. I was very aware that all safety nets of a learning atmosphere at school were gone. And lastly, I learned to celebrate the small victories. A new topic learned, that my code works, that I completed a new or required training task. It took a while to gain confidence in my knowledge and abilities, to trust that my limited real-world experience could help or contribute to solving a problem. At first, I sat back and listened and observed, but didn't really share my ideas. As I became more comfortable, I started to share my ideas and my questions. Sharing information and asking questions can help someone else that is experiencing the same or similar problem find or lead to a solution. New perspectives get us looking at things in a new way, or in a way we never thought of before. Working in a group is more than just getting a job done. It requires trust, communication, and coming prepared to work. What would I have done differently? As I considered what I would do differently, I think I would trust what I know and rely more on my teammates. I had the ability to take on additional unassigned tasks, but I didn't. I was concerned about not having the ability or knowledge to accomplish a task and end up looking incompetent to my team lead or to my teammates. I lacked the confidence and experience to understand that questions are good and asking for assistance isn't a sign of incompetence. I learned that needing help doesn't mean that I failed as an intern. The most important aspect is getting the job done for the client. I can expand my comfort zone by setting goals that are reasonable and realistic to learning a new skill and be flexible when life or a project doesn't go as planned. I need to make adjustments and keep moving forward. I learned that my comfort zone is more than what I already know. I need to know where to go to find answers, which can also give me strength to know that I can get the job done. Learning what my strengths are has greatly enlarged my comfort zone. What I enjoyed. In class, I was pretty leery of team assignments or working with a group. Not everyone has the same work ethic or want to expand the same amount of effort or time to assignments to get the best possible grade. Usually one or two of the members do most of the work, but everyone gets the credit. I really enjoyed working with my team. Teams in the workplace tend to be professional and motivated to produce results. Satisfying a customer and task leads is crucial. As a result, each team member is attentive, supportive, encouraging, and making themselves available to bounce ideas, help solve problems, and provide opportunities to teach and share what we've learned and accomplished. Working remotely has been a great way to shadow and work with each team member individually. I was able to ask questions and learn what each team member specializes in. I'm excited to move from an informatics intern at Signature Performance to a full-time position as a data analyst level 2. I will continue to work with my team in informatics and will be an integral part of the transition from Tableau to Dundas.